Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Yan He from Dapp-Learning. Yeah. It's fantastic to be here to share our journey of building Dapp-Learning. And hope our 3 years building experience could offer you some inspiration to build your local Ethereum community. Yeah. Especially with limited or even no startup funds. My presentation will cover 3 areas: Dapp-Learning introduction and its main components. Then I will work through our community governance, the rules that keep us organized and collaborative. Finally, I will show how we get grants in Web3 ecosystem and how we allocate our funds to support our community growth. Since the last Devcon in Bangkok, I have introduced Dapp-Learning in detail, so this time I just quick recap the introduction. On the left side is our community-relevant data. We are designed for developers to step into blockchain Dapp development, where they can learn DeFi, NFT, DAO, and crypto projects. We could not only give junior developers a feasible and easy-to-use Dapp-Learning roadmap, but also present advanced developers with a platform for communication and cooperation. Yeah. This is our version. Our community is built on 4 components: GitHub, OSU, translation team, and website team. Let's start with our GitHub. Our initial idea was just to create a GitHub repo to record our learning trace of Dapp development in 2021. To our surprise, it was more popular than we expected. Currently, there are 80 basic tasks that help you to learn Dapp development step by step, along with advanced tasks like NFT, DAO, crypto, etc. Now we have garnered more than 5,000 stars, and nearly 200 contributors have submitted their pull requests to our repo. What's more exciting, our repo frequently appears on the airdrop list of many Web3 projects. Next, we call it Dapp-Learning Open Source University. As many community members can schedule a session to share Web3 knowledge. As long as his presentation doc is reviewed and approved by our core contributor, we reward each session with 160 DAI through OSU. We have produced a wide range of courses, including a comprehensive DeFi learning roadmap and a ZK introduction course. Next is translation team. Yeah, the world of blockchain is full of all sorts of temptation and scams. So it's essential for newcomers to study structured course from famous university. Yeah, so our team have translated MIT Open Course Blockchain and Money. We also translated many white paper and research reports into Chinese too. As a local Ethereum community, we try our best to make high quality content from English word accessible to our core members. Next is our DAO governance. Governance are important to attract developers to build community trust and build community trust. Yeah. There are 3 rules. Interesting rules of our community. They are working well. Rule 1, anyone who has submitted PR 3 times or has shared at least 1 time can join our developer group. It has a ceiling of 120 people. We also build a community group for free communication too. Yeah. If you want to make an advertisement in our group, you should share first. Yeah. The last part is our grant and our fund allocation. As a non-profit organization, our funding primarily comes from grant and donations, like ESP grant and Gitcoin grant. In the mid-term, we also get support from many outstanding projects teams, such as Optimism, Scroll, Starnet, ZK Sync, etc. This year, airdrop from Web3 projects are also a big source of revenue for us. Yeah, the financing module enable us remain a technology-neutral stance. Yeah, we only focusing on Ethereum and its layer 2 development without any commercial biases. Yeah, the slide shows a support from. Okay, sorry. Yeah, this is our fund allocation. You can see. Yeah, we set up community grants and Web3 use grants to help developers transition from Web2 to Web3. This is our recognition from the industry. Yeah, the slide shows the support from layer 2 projects. Lastly, let me show our sponsors. Yeah, thanks for their support for our community. Okay, thanks for your attention. And I'm open to any question you may have. Feel free if you wanted to join us.
We have a question here. Do you want to throw it?
Good catch. Okay. Yeah. Thanks for your sharing. And I think we all know building and maintaining the community is not easy. And Dapp-Learning definitely is a phenomenal success. And could you tell me or share your experience about what's the biggest problem or challenge during these years? I mean, in terms of education or the management, yeah.
That's a really good question, yeah. Let me think for a while. I think that the most challenging is the same as the most developer can across to is the ZK technology, yeah. As you know, we have produced a course of DeFi learning roadmap. I think is a good material for developers to learn DeFi. But we find it hard for developers to learn ZK or make ZK easy to understand for newcomers. So we still try our best to make it easy, accessible to everyone. Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
Any other questions? I actually have a question for you. So for your users, I guess they're all geographically distributed in different places. Do you think there are specific designs that is more attractive to a certain group, either age group or geographic locations? Do you find them tend to use, the Dapp-Learning in different ways?
Actually,
the same?
Our users are mostly from Chinese-speaking areas.
I see.
Yeah, they're mostly Chinese. Yeah, most of them are developers. Yeah, because our content is more technical. You see.
Technical, right?
Yeah,
I see.
yeah. So, yeah, we try our best to make it accessible to non-developers too. But yeah, that's okay.
Cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Yan
Bye.
Ho.